Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less. So today in my video guys, I'll be showing you the second part of how I made some beautiful decorations here at home, as you can see, for my sister's birthday, which will be on the 12th of September. So the things you'll need to make this decoration are some tissue paper, PVA glue, cardboard, scissors, ruler, and of course your pencil. Guys, this was so easy to make. Do you want to stick to the video until the end? Because to be honest to you, I didn't even realize it would have come out so good, but it came out so well. So at first I just got this cardboard from the corner shop, and I just used my scissors just to cut the section that I need to work with. As I've always said before guys, please be very careful with your scissors. You don't want to cut yourself, so please be very careful. And then once I've cut it out, I'm just gonna go ahead and then just get my ruler just to mark out the letters as to how big I want them to be. So guys, I just want to say also thank you very much for thank you very much for my returning subscribers, and also if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do remember to like, comment and share, and also click on that notification bell so you're notified every time that I uploaded a video. So as you've seen, I've been with the ruler, mark out the letter that I wanted. I'm just going around and then just trying to get it as best as how I wanted to do. I've rubbed out a few of the lines that I've made because I wasn't comfortable with it, but then I went back again and then just start creating it into the size that I wanted. Again with the scissors, again be careful, and then I just cut out the letter as to how I want it to be. And as then you see guy, I go back over, you see guy, what is wrong with me today? Anyway, so I just went back over with my scissors and then just cut it down as best as how I want it to be. I didn't like how the lines sit in the A, so I went back again, erased all the lines that I've done there, and just went back in again with my ruler and then just make it as best as how I want it to look. I didn't want it to be too big, so I just want to make sure that I've done it properly, so when I cut it, it looks nice and neat. Again, with my scissors guys, just please be very careful as you go to cut out your letters. So guys, if you haven't seen my last video, please click on the link below and you will see what I've done for the first part of the decoration last week. I used a hula hoop and some cardboard with some gems and some pearls to make a really beautiful happy birthday for my sister. So the party will be on the 12th. I will have to do like a video again, so this will part 2 of part 3, so I'll have to do another video to show you guys the end results. So I've just finished cut out the letter A, and I just use my blade just to cut it nice and neat so it looks uniformed. And then again, I didn't like the way it looks a bit tall, so if you want to try something like this, just try to go around and then just get it into the position, or to get it into the shape that you prefer. I didn't like the first one, so I just went back and forth. As you can see from before, I went back and forth a few times just to make sure that I get it into the shape that I wanted to be in, and I wanted it to look nice. I don't want it to just look tacky, so please be patient and then just, you know, work with it. So from there, I am bringing my tissue paper. I got this tissue paper, it's 20 sheets and it's for £1. They're really huge, as you guys will see. So the theme basically is rose gold and white. So I want to dash a little bit of pink in there, you'll see, but I took this piece, it's more like a peach, but I couldn't find a rose gold. So what I did, I just used my scissors, again please be careful, and then just start cutting strips of the tissue paper. So after I finished cutting the tissue paper, I'm just gonna go back again and just cutting them into small chunks, because I've been making some tissue paper flowers, not necessarily flowers. I just be crunching them up and then just kind of tuck them in with the PVA glue. So again, as I said, just take the end of that tissue paper and then just twine it, and then just, you know, play with the rest of the tissue paper, and it will look like a flower. Trust me, it looks so nice. I wasn't even expecting it to look this way, to be honest with you. I started like, oh my god, yeah, it looks so nice, and it did, because Trayvon was like, oh my god mom, it looks so nice, and it did. You will see at the end, it's beautiful, very beautiful. I can't wait for my sister's birthday. I know she's gonna be so excited. So from there, here we go. I just took my PVA glue and then just start putting some of the PVA glue onto my cardboard. So I've done my sister's name, which is Alika, and I just started adding the paper flowers that I've cut out onto the letters, and I will do this for the rest of her name, which is Leka. So I'll do Leka in the cutout and then just add the paper flowers onto it. Guys, let me know what you think of this so far. Comment below and let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if this is something that you would try, and also let me know if it looks okay to you so far, or if this is something that you would do. So this is what the A looks like after I finished there, and then after I finished writing out my sister's name, I put the pink. I really like the pink. She's of a pink person, and she's asked me, can you put like a really nice pink? And I just, okay, I'll just try and put this pink in there. I may need to go, not may, I will be going over some of them because it looks a little bit scattered, and you can see the cardboard, so I will go back over it and then just try to fill it in. But yeah, I really like the way it turns out. This is not the end result, obviously, because I'll be decorating it with a backdrop, but I really love how it turns out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out my playlist below. You know, let me know what you think, guys. I really want to know what you think. So please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week in my video. Guys, next week will be the party, so you don't want to miss it. There will be so much, and also there will be more decoration. So please, guys, check it out. I keep saying guy, I'm so sorry. I'm psyched. I'm so excited. So please keep checking it out. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.